of a DUI and got let off with a warning.
She had a drink tonight.
Only one drink.
Just one drink.
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer.
Miller.
A Miller Lite.
Yes.
Have you ever wondered what happens when the protectors of justice find themselves facing a different kind of temptation? Will the guardians of order stand firm in the face of seduction, or will they find themselves entangled in a web of unexpected desires? Stay with us till the end as we explore the unexpected twists and turns when the hottest girls take on the challenge of seducing the cops. In the unpredictable world of police encounters, some suspects opt for unconventional methods when faced with the consequences of their actions. Let's first dive into the peculiar story of Kelly Barton, a 48-year-old woman caught in a tipsy tangle with the law. It all started when she crashed into a lamppost while on the job, transporting a special needs patient. When the police arrived at the scene, Kelly seemed a bit worse for wear.
Kelly,
Yes,
how are you doing?
good.
Despite admitting to having too much to drink, she denied being the one behind the wheel, a claim contradicted by security camera footage from a nearby gas station. Now, she faced charges of both DUI and neglect due to the special needs patient she was transporting. However, Kelly wasn't one to back down easily. As an ambulance arrived to conduct tests on her, Kelly unleashed a surprising tactic, flirting with the officers. In a cringe-worthy display, she repeatedly flirted with all the officers at the scene, attempting to divert attention from her intoxicated state. Her attempts ranged from cheeky comments about their uniforms to suggesting intimate encounters.
You handsome.
Do you want the light squad to check you, ma'am?
Let them do what they gotta do. Come on, boys.
How you feeling?
Hey. I want the little young boys. Ask me how I'm feeling. Let the little young boys tell me. Let me tell you something. What I would do to you with your blue eyes.
Well, let me check your blood sugar
Okay.
real quick.
Look at him. I would do him in a way that he won't expect.
Despite her efforts, the officers remained focused on their duty. After multiple tests, it became evident that Kelly was significantly over the legal alcohol limit. Unsurprisingly, she was arrested for driving while intoxicated. However, the struggle continued as they wrestled to get her into the police vehicle, ultimately escorting her to the police station to face the full weight of her misjudgments. But if you think Kelly was daring, meet the 18-year-old Skylar Fluss, who takes audacity to a whole new level. Skylar proudly shared a video with thousands, boasting about how she managed to escape a DUI with nothing more than a warning.
Got out of a DUI and got let off with a warning.
In her video, she alleges that she used her flirtatious charm to trick the officer and even claimed that he gave her his number, suggesting a potential lunch date. According to Skylar, she blew a 3.8 on the breathalyzer, a dangerously high level that, if true, would have serious health implications.
I blew a 3.8 and he let me off with a f***ing warning and gave me his number and said we should meet for coffee or lunch. He was hot, so I'm getting lunch with him tomorrow.
However, the reality captured by the officer's body camera tells a different story. Deputy Stallman from the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office pulled Skylar over, expressing concern about her weaving and inquiring about any possible alcohol consumption. The officer, instead of issuing a ticket, offered a warning, expressing understanding for her tough night.
My name's Deputy Stallman, the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. I pulled you over because you were weaving a little bit back there. Where are you coming from?
I was coming from my friend's house. I actually just got dumped.
Okay.
So I was like crying and like I'm really
Okay.
sorry.
Were you on your phone and stuff too?
I was trying to call him to get a hold of him because my heart hurts
Okay.
so bad.
Well, I'm just concerned that you were weaving because of alcohol, but if you're on your phone, have you been drinking or anything tonight? No? Okay.
Contrary to Skylar's claims, the officer did not provide his personal number, nor did he suggest a dinner invitation.
So my information's right here on the front. The reason I stopped you here is on the back. Wherever you're headed, get there safely, and I'm sorry you're having a bad night.
Yeah, I'm just right down the street. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
No, you're fine. Yeah, no, you don't need to apologize. I mean, you were weaving a little bit with no traffic out. I just want to make sure
The video reveals a professional and courteous interaction aimed at ensuring Skylar's safety on the road. Skylar's video not only includes her bragging about exploiting the officer's kindness, but also falsely asserts a dangerously high breathalyzer reading. Later investigations uncovered footage of Skylar engaging in heavy drinking at a party just hours before she was caught driving. Confronted with this evidence, Skylar admitted to her irresponsible actions, acknowledging that she got too intoxicated and made the regrettable decision to drive.
Ended up getting a little too intoxicated. I was taking shots all night and I decided to make the dumb decision to get into my car and drive.
Despite her confession, no further action was taken against her or the officer who failed to conduct a proper test. But if you think Skylar's case was an audacious attempt, let's shift gears to Brooke Teague, whose unique encounter with law enforcement took an unexpected turn. Brooke caught the officer's attention when he witnessed her swerving on the road. The officer promptly pulled her over, expecting a routine traffic stop. However, the greeting he received was anything but ordinary. Brooke, with a friendly demeanor, identified herself and candidly admitted to being on the phone with her baby daddy.
Hey, I'm Officer Smith, Bentonville Police Department.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Smith.
I've never heard that before in traffic stop. I appreciate that. Hey, so I'm just stopping you for improper lane use. Doing some
Sorry, I was on the phone.
You're on the phone?
I'll be honest.
Okay. Who are you on the phone with?
My baby daddy. I'll show it to you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zachary?
Yeah.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Only one drink.
Just one drink?
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer?
Miller.
A Miller Lite?
Yes. I won't lie to you, a Miller Lite.
That's all you've had?
Yes, sir. You can ask Zachary.
I don't really want to talk to
I know
Zachary.
you don't, but I'm just saying.
Okay.
It became clear during the chat that Brooke had probably had more than the one drink she claimed to have had.
She have to drink tonight?
Only one drink.
Just one drink?
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer?
Miller.
A Miller Lite?
Yes.
Despite the pleasant atmosphere, the officer conducted sobriety tests.
You're making me giggle. I'm sorry.
It makes me giggle too. It's okay.
Okay. I snore. I'm from
Sorry.
Huntsville.
We're supposed to be professional.
I'm from Huntsville. It's not going to make me snort.
All right, stop laughing because you're making me laugh.
I'm not.
All right, seriously.
I'm giggling. I'm
All right,
sorry.
this is a serious deal. All right. Okay.
You're smiling. I can't help it.
All right. Stop.
Okay. I'm sorry.
How much had a drink?
I've had 2 Millers.
2 Millers now? That's it?
Yes, sir. You can call Mitchell, the manager.
Okay. Well, hey, go ahead and put your hands on your back for me, okay?
Yeah.
Brooke's attempts at humor and her difficulty with the tests led to her arrest. Throughout the arrest process, Brooke's talk continued at the police station, showcasing a surprising connection between her and the officer.
There is a dog.
Where?
He's over there. Over here. His name is Kolyak.
Kolyak?
That's my dog.
Is that your dog? What's his name?
His name is Coach.
Coach? I have 3 dogs. I have a Rottweiler, Great Dane, and a Mastiff.
Wow.
Did I go to high school with you?
I don't think so. Where'd you go to high school at?
Bentonville?
Yeah, not me.
Where'd you go?
Indiana. Valparaiso, Indiana.
Where in Indiana?
Valparaiso.
I was raised from Bloomfield.
Despite the obvious chemistry, both remained professional. Brooke's blood alcohol test revealed a level of 0.14, almost twice the legal limit. While she spent the night in jail and faced a temporary license suspension, this interaction highlights how maintaining respect and professionalism can ease investigations, even in unexpected circumstances. If only this cop had met Brooke at a bar, the night might have ended quite differently. What are your thoughts on these unconventional interactions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.